She's amazing.
It's so special to be here.
Well, you know what? Sarah said, and I had a big chat about it the other day, and I said, if we can give people the opportunity to have this in their life,
because I'll never forget this.
Happen? You just don't have options like that. And I said, you know, that's my gift to you guys.
That was an awesome gift, thank you. Well, I hope you give me a few more.
Yeah, well.
I won't need anything for my birthday this year.
Nothing very soon, because I'm a little sore right now.
You know what? I'll be so happy with a plant.